Before activating a workflow, it's important to make sure every step works exactly as expected. With Preview, you can test your workflow and watch each block execute in real time. I'm Kayla with Jotform, and in this video, I'll show you how to use the Preview feature in Jotform Workflows to test your workflow logic and confirm that every step runs correctly before going live. Let's get started. To get started, open Jotform Workflows and select the workflow you want to test. In the top right corner of the Workflow Builder, locate the Preview toggle. Turn the toggle on to begin testing your workflow. Once Preview mode is activated, you'll see your entire workflow ready to be tested. Click Start Run to begin the test execution. As the test begins, the workflow will execute step by step. Each block activates in sequence, so you can see exactly how the workflow progresses. If your workflow starts with a form trigger, you'll be able to submit the form as part of the test. This allows you to simulate a real workflow run and observe the next steps that follow. As the workflow continues, you can watch each block activate in the exact order it was designed. This helps confirm that triggers, conditions, and actions are connected correctly. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the Run Summary panel. This panel helps you track what actions are happening during the test. At the top of the panel, the Test Started indicator confirms that the testing session has begun. Below that, the panel lists the actions triggered during the run, giving you a clear view of how the workflow executes step by step. And that's how you use Preview in Jotform Workflows. Test your workflow logic, track how data moves between steps, and make sure everything works before turning your workflow on. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.